Bonus reading for fire signs, January the 9th to January the 10th. So we have the Five of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Page of Cups. So parang nakakita tayo dito ng pagseselos dahil na misunderstood yung kilos or sabi ng isang tao. It could be that may kinalaman ito online. Pwedeng sabihin natin, someone assumed na, "Oy, sino yung kausap mo?" And then that started from the sino kausap mo up to a point na ang dami ng so someone is going to bomb you a lot of questions. And then parang yung isa naman magiging defensive. So anong nangyari sa'yo? Saan nanggagaling 'yan? So, I feel like magkakaroon lang dito ng misunderstanding, 'wag pairaling ang init ng ulo. I think it's much better for today, 'no? Itong mga araw na ito, the 9th and the 10th, na medyo lawakan natin at 'wag tayong ma-trigger doon sa mga nakikita natin. There might be an explanation for this, 'no? So, 'wag agad-agad. But this is your bonus reading, fire signs for January the 9th to January the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.